Okay, so here is our first attempt at a double-sided Roman shade, okay? So this is what the front looks like. And this is what the back looks like. Looks the same, pretty much. Okay, just so you know, it's a continuous clutch. Goes up and down automatically. Both sides at the same time by just pulling on this. You can see it stacks up. Looks the same. Both sides. Okay, one cord. And then you can pull it either way. Either way will make it go up and down, so pretty easy. And so all the hardware is sandwiched in between.